Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to transfer an Instagram account from one mobile to another. So let's get into it. First, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap to open it. Once the Instagram app opens up on the mobile screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Your Instagram profile section will be open on the screen. Now, from the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines and a new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the end to find Logout option. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember the login ID and password. If you have more than one account, you can choose to log out of all accounts. However, in this case, we only want to log out of this account. Tap to log out and confirm it. Once you are logged out, let's move on to the other mobile. On the other mobile, enter your username or email address. Then enter your password. Within a few seconds, your Instagram account will be transferred from one mobile to another. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.